There we go. We've got on. Yeah, cancelling it, restarting it, did it? Have we got any viewers? No? Never mind.
No, I don't think it, yeah.
Never mind. Okay, so I see you've brought a guinea pig with you.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing the osmosis experiment, potato chip. We have to, first of all, make a sugar solution. So we're going to make a 1 molar sugar solution. So I did all the calculations for that earlier, and I have printed off I've made a sheet that we will upload into Google Docs and put a link at the bottom after the session. Okay, so it'll all be there ready for you to follow the instructions. So you'll watch us now doing it. So we need half a litre of water to start us off and some sugar, because as you probably know, if you're going to do the osmosis and potato chip experiment, biology, and that's why you're watching.
One person, I'm sure there.
Stop getting paranoid about this.
I have a feeling it's your grand or your mum, which is why she hasn't said anything.
Okay, so they haven't said anything in chat. So what we're going to do is we need, first of all, half a litre. We're going to do this using the weighing scale, so we get within 1 milliliter of the right amount, because our weighing scales are accurate to 1 gram, which is 1 gram is 1 milliliter. Okay, so are you going to help me now? We are going to weigh 500 grams of water. There is about 500 grams in here, so you'll probably need most of it. Watch the scales carefully as you're pouring. So that's half a litre of water. Try and get it, stop for a moment. Try and get it all inside the jug. Because if we spill it on the weighing scales, then we effectively weigh that as well. And obviously that's not part of our experiment.
Oh, how much did you say it was?
500 ml, so we want 500 grams. Yeah, you're nearly there. You've got 10 left to go. Oh, stop. Right, because we can use a dropping pipette to finish it off if we were out. Okay, so that's absolutely perfect. Now what we need to do is we need to weigh out the sugar. So how much sugar do we need? Well, I calculated it earlier, and half a mole, or the relative atomic mass of sucrose, is 180 grams. So we're going to put 180 grams of sugar in there. Now there are 2 ways of doing it. One is you put the jug on and you add the sugar directly to it.
Yeah.
And the other is we'll weigh the sugar separately. Right. Which do you think is going to be safer?
Both.
Yeah, I think weighing sugar separately is probably going to be safer. So if I get a bowl and we put the bowl on there, press 0 on the scale to take us back to 0, and you want to measure out 180 grams of sugar, use a spoon. Okay, and then we're going to do a serial dilution. So we're making a 1 molar solution of sugar to begin with. Let's try and get most of it in the bowl, shall we? So we'll make a serial dilution. I thought you had something to say about that.
Yeah, we're diluting cereal, Mum.
What?
Because that's what I thought a serial dilution is.
Yeah.
Because we're going to need a lot of Weetabix for this much sugar, though, Mum.
Yeah, so you've got it it's hovering around. So you've got it to 179. So it's just a bit of a sprinkle in to take it up to 180.
You normally only need about that much wheat on the Weetabix. So we're going to need a lot of Weetabix.
Yeah, I suspect so. We're going to need a lot of Weetabix if we're going to do that as a serial dilution. Now that's a lot of sugar to go into this much water. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll probably have to do a bit of warming of the water in the microwave to cause it to dissolve a bit better. Okay, are you ready? Off you go. Don't spill any of the sugar, or we're going to need more water. The whole place is going to be sticky with sugar solution by the time we're finished. So don't forget to stir it each time, because the more it stirs. Right, and whilst you're doing that, I'm just going to change my camera angle.